What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request today. Charlotte Roselei from Black Clover, requested by Manuel on Patreon. I think I've drawn her already with a helmet, and he wanted her with her hair down in this one. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, and hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with her eyes. Center point of my page is here, over to the right hand side. Start with the top eyelid. We go diagonal and then across. I want to thicken up the top eyelid just a little bit. Add maybe like a spike just coming off here. Then we got some eyelashes, just these curved lines coming up from her top eyelid. Bottom eyelid then comes down from here, curves around. Like so. And then she has like another line just here on the edge of her eye, and I think these have eyelashes on them as well. So like just some like ones like so. Right, so then iris and pupil on the inside of her eye, so they're kind of long. So we go curve it around here, curve it around here, and then her pupil just in the middle, like so. Maybe we go over and do, well, we'll do her eyelid line first actually. So eyelid line just coming across here. Another line there. And then she has quite thin eyebrows just above. Right, and you just add a blonde section, so you want to be able to color it in, so you just add space just there. Right, then we go over and do the other eye. Same thing again, just across, go diagonal, and then across the way, and you thicken it up a little bit. And then eyelashes sticking up. Just along the top. Bottom eyelid line. Down around. Like so. And then again, she has another line just here in the corner. And we'll put some eyelashes coming off that as well. Her iris on the inside, same as this, pretty much just curved line coming around there. And another one going around here, and then pupil just in the middle. Eyelid line. And then like another one here, and then the eyebrow above. Again, pretty thin, like so. Center nose just curves down, left to center, comes down this way and curves at the tip. And then we have just nostrils underneath. Curved line on his mouth. And then top lip and bottom lip. Chin then. Relatively pointy chin just here. So you got quite a long face, but still, I'd say the proportions are about pupil, say pupil to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. And then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay? Then you can go for the jaw. Side of the face. Jaw there. Curves around. Like so. Okay, so then her hair, right? So hanging down from the middle of her head. So we got this curved line that comes down that way. And then her braid comes down this side. And it's kind of like bumpy. This comes down to like hair that sticks out here. And it goes, bumps out the other side. And then around. Like so. Right, and then this curves down that way. And then a long piece of hair comes down. This eventually curves around her shoulder, so we'll just leave it there. All right, and then we can see just a little bit of her ear in here. There. Okay, so the rest of her hair, so top of her head is like, so this whole space, like chin to eyebrows, is about the same as eyebrows to the top of the head, right? So you can mark that. So here to here, bring it up pretty much close to the top of her head, right? So, and her head's like really round, right? So it just curves around here. And starts to join her long hair that goes down behind her head, right? So it might bump a little bit here. And then go down. Down that way somewhere. And this long hair then down like so. And then the line coming down here. That, and then this goes down that way. There. The rest of her hair goes behind her neck and shoulders. Okay, so we'll draw those. So her neck, pretty long, thin. So the neck curves down here. Down there. And then she's got a collar with a rose sort of here, right? We got a rose in the middle, right? We'll draw that first. So this little spiral with a leaf on the edge. There. And then this goes up that way. Down to there. Some neck muscles in here. And they add a shadow in black clover underneath the chin. And this curves around here. There's like levels to her clothing like this. Another one comes out this way. And like this one like curves around her shoulder. Like that, right? So then we have another like bump here, another line going in that way. Some hair lines, texture lines just in behind her head. Like another one here. And then her shoulder just goes off down this way. We can just see like the top of her cloak that she's wearing here, down. Like so. And the rest of her hair just goes down behind her shoulder there. But that's it, Charlotte Roselei from Black Clover. Hope it's helpful. Anyone else with unusual requests of characters I don't normally draw, head over to Patreon. I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.